Hello there, my name is Yumi Hassel with Entertainment News in 10 minutes or less. Or BB-8 gets it. Who? BB-8 is a new droid in the upcoming Star Wars The Force Awakens, and there is nothing cuter in the verse. Sorry, R2-D2. This week-ish, in the world of mini TV series and awesome movies, this is what you may have missed, overlooked, or could be kicking out with me about. But first, the coolest character in the Star Wars universe, no offense Han, is getting his own comic book miniseries. Lando Calrissian strikes back in a 5-issue series. With Lovat still by his side, we'll see Lando in the days before he became the Cloud City Administrator. An adventure awaits. Lando #1 hits the shelves this July. Now get ready, cause here we go. TV series. This week, Arrow and the Flash. Ain't no party like a superhero party. And by party, I mean Fight Club. The CW releases Superhero Fight Club as it gears up for the final episodes of the season. To check out the complete clip, link below. Orange is the New Black. I see more binge in your future. Season 3 is not even out yet, and it's already been renewed for a 4th season. They're never getting out of prison. Never! This commercial break is brought to you in part by Innovated Lifesavers. Find the one that suits you. Movies. In comic book movies and so on, we had many contenders this week, but only one can be America's next top grossing film. And that is Star Wars The Force Awakens. Teaser number 2 was released as part of the Star Wars Celebration event, and the response was unanimous. It was so good, we got radio silence from the internet memes, and no, wait, yes, I am being told Matthew McConaughey's reaction would say otherwise. And thus, a meme is born. The confirmed leads of the film are actor Oscar Isaac as Poe Dameron, Daisy Ridley as Rey, and John Boyega as Finn. To check out the complete teaser, link below. Film premieres this Christmas. And to score another point for Disney, Marvel's Ant-Man. Just in case we've been busy looking forward to other films and completely forgotten why we definitely need to watch this movie, Marvel releases trailer number 2 as a reminder. And we finally see the villain Yellow Jacket in action. Check out the complete trailer, film premieres this June 12th. And from the other side of the court, DC Entertainment brings Batman vs. Superman: Dawn of Justice. We went from a 21-second teaser that showed nothing to making IMAX reservations to watch the trailer on April 20th, to a leaked version of the trailer by Brazil, to finally being officially released in high definition by Warner Brothers. Why?
Because it's the dawn of justice.
That suit looks really heavy. How does he even...
Because I'm Batman.
And finally, Terminator Genisys. Trailer number 2 was released. So if you want to understand the movie's plot, and by understand, I mean pretty much everything was revealed, except Matt Smith's character, of course, because it's not like every Doctor Who fan is dying to know, check out the trailer. Film premieres this July 1st. That's all, folks. Here's your funny of the week. See? BB-8 made it. Well, we don't really know that yet until we see the film. It might not make it. Oh God, why would I even think that? Happy thoughts, happy thoughts.